Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to install Minecraft on your PC entirely for free. I know that sometimes Minecraft, for example, if I open my Microsoft Store right here, and I check on Minecraft right there, let me just give it a second. So that will be Minecraft. Everything here has payment, right? You don't really see anything that doesn't have any payment. So the first thing you want to do right now is check on your computer if it meets the minimum requirement. To do that one, basically type in here dxdiag. As you can see right here, just wait for it to load up. That would be dxdiag right there. And then basically click on yes, yes, and just wait for it to load up. So this is going to be your system requirements, right? Just make sure you have it. I think the minimum is 16 gig RAM, and the processor would be Ryzen 3 and above. Now to get into this one, just type in here Minecraft. Let me just type in here Minecraft right there. .net/free trial. Once you get into this one, you're gonna see this. Now, this will give you an hour of playtime. Install it, and then you're gonna get 1 hour of free time, just like any server, just like any word, just like any world out there. However, after that 1 hour free trial, if you want to play again, you're gonna have to reinstall this one, and then keep reinstalling until you decided to pay for the real game or for the real paid version. Either or, this is still gonna be a good one to try it out. You can choose for Windows, PlayStation, Android, and then Minecraft Java Edition will be for Windows, Linux, Debian, Arch, and Mac. Okay? And that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.